Hey guys, so I'm at the abandoned Cupcake factory in Fairfield, Ohio.
AK and AQ here just for kids.
Yeah, what's interesting about this place is that all of the years this was abandoned, it had the logo, but they wiped it off not that long ago.
I don't think you can wipe off the logo, so I don't know how you
Yeah, what I mean is just take it off. Let's look inside. You can't really see. Well, you can see stuff, but
I don't know how you take off the logo.
I know, but they took lots of stuff. This is where I think this area is where they'll cook. Well, they'll bake. Oh my gosh. They will bake all the cupcakes. Let's see if this door will open up. Nope. Who knows when they close this place? I never had this place. If I did, I never went to this place, but if I did, I only did once. Let's see. You can see a very tiny bathroom. As you see, that's pretty much it. They got this all, like, look, they just got this all fenced. And here, wait, this is cool. Over here's the abandoned Pearl's Diner that we shot. And not only that, they remodeled this McDonald's. And we are stopping to Wendy's for lunch, and last but not least, over there is the abandoned Bob Evans we shot at. So, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.